Hello! In this video, you'll learn how to create a 3D effect for text in CapCut without any additional software. It's simple and easy. First, drag your video onto the editing timeline, go to the text tab, add the default text by clicking the plus sign, and extend its duration. Position the text so that it doesn't interfere with blend into your video. Let's say now we type 3D text. Next, go to the Animations tab, select the Loop section, scroll through and look for the Do Not Donut effect. And now something is already starting to appear. Go to the Text tab and select Style Preset to make it much more convenient for us. So let's take a closer look at what we've actually got by expanding the video to its full screen view. Let's play it. We've got 3D text without using additional programs. I hope this video was helpful for you. Give it a like